For this exercise, we're going to be working on strengthening some of the muscles in the rotator cuff. Now, for this exercise, we will need a resistance band, and we want to have that band anchored off to a sturdy point that will not tip over when you start to pull. This can be done on a door frame, doorknob, or if you're at a gym, you can put it on the rig. We're going to start by anchoring our band to our surface, and we're going to step back until we have light resistance. Bring our elbow up even with our shoulder, and our elbow angle is going to be 90 degrees. From here, we want to simply rotate the hand up towards the ceiling. Notice the elbow stays in the same point. We're not raising and we're not lowering. From the front, our position would be here, rotating, and back to the starting position. Try to go slowly with this exercise and pause for a moment at the top. Going quickly through this exercise will not get as adequate of a contraction in the rotator cuff muscles. We're going to perform sets and reps of this exercise as prescribed by your provider.